Hey guys, welcome to this Solotica Hydrocore Mel review. I am so excited I finally got these contacts for you guys. A lot of you were requesting them and I am not disappointed. These are gorgeous, vibrant, dramatic green contacts. If you were debating between Mel, Amber, and Buzios, I would say that this Mel is kind of a mix between the Buzios and Amber. The Amber is the lightest of all three. It's very, very bright. These are like a toned down Amber, but also an extra Buzios, if that makes any sense. So it's kind of like a happy medium Goldilocks in between the two. It's beautiful. It's a green with yellow undertones, as you can see. And from a distance, extremely striking. This color is going to go really well with warm toned skin people, olive skin tones, tan skin tones. It's just gorgeous. And as with Solotica design, certain Solotica design, I wanted to mention that this has no bug eye effect. It's very smooth pixelation, very simple color gradient, and the opacity is medium. So depending on the tone of your brown, it might look slightly darker if you have very dark brown eyes. But I just want to recommend that if you have medium brown eyes, I would take a look at my Buzios review. Take a look at my Solotica Hydrocore Rio review where I review the Buzios. I personally prefer Buzios for my medium brown eyes. I just think it looks a little bit more natural and it's still very vibrant and will still show up. But if you have very, very dark brown eyes, I would look into the Amber or Mel. I think you'll be happier with those two. Just if you're debating, I am going to have comparison videos, Mel versus Amber and Mel versus Buzios. That is coming, so stay tuned for that. The cheapest place to get Solotica contacts online worldwide is Vision Marketplace. If you use my discount code Danica10, you can get a prescription pair that's going to last you a year for around $65. So I will link it in the description below for you guys. I have a Vela coming up, so stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!